Welcome back to our channel, where today we delve into one of the most infamous criminal cases in American history, the O.J. Simpson murder trial. This trial captured the nation's attention, highlighting issues of race, fame, and the legal system. Join us as we take a closer look at this complex and controversial case. But before we begin, I want to remind you that the purpose of this video is to provide an in-depth analysis of the trial and its impact on society. We encourage respectful and insightful discussions in the comments section. However, we kindly request that you refrain from engaging in any form of harassment or promoting harmful content. Let's keep the conversation informative and respectful for everyone. Now, if you find our content informative and engaging, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with our latest videos and join a community of fellow learners and enthusiasts. Additionally, we would love to hear from you. If there are any specific topics you'd like us to cover or cases you'd like us to analyze, please leave a comment below. Your feedback and suggestions are valuable to us, and they help us create content that caters to your interests and curiosities. Before we proceed, it's important to note that the following video is for educational and informational purposes only. We are not here to pass judgment or challenge the legal outcome of the trial. Our aim is to provide a comprehensive understanding of the case and shed light on its significance in history. So, let's dive into the captivating world of the O.J. Simpson murder trial, where fame, race, and the legal system intersected in a way that forever changed our perception of justice. Before we delve into the trial, let's understand who O.J. Simpson was. O.J. Simpson rose to fame as a football star, winning the Heisman Trophy and becoming one of the most celebrated athletes of his time. His success continued as he transitioned into acting, gaining popularity and a positive public image. Example: we all remember O.J. Simpson's iconic role as Detective Nordberg in the Naked Gun film series, where he showcased his comedic talent alongside Leslie Nielsen. On the night of June 12, 1994, tragedy struck when Nicole Brown Simpson, O.J. Simpson's ex-wife, and Ronald Goldman, a friend of Nicole's, were brutally murdered. The crime scene investigation uncovered a wealth of evidence that would later be pivotal in the trial. Example: forensic experts discovered DNA evidence linking O.J. Simpson to the crime scene, including bloodstains on Simpson's property and Nicole's clothing. This DNA evidence played a crucial role in establishing a connection between Simpson and the murders. The investigation into the murders was extensive, but it was not without controversy. Let's explore the key aspects of the investigation and the challenges it faced. Example: one significant controversy during the investigation was the handling of evidence. The defense team argued that the evidence may have been mishandled, potentially compromising its integrity. This raised questions about the credibility of the evidence presented in court. Now let's turn our attention to the trial itself, which became a media sensation and a cultural landmark. We'll examine the key players involved and the dynamics that influenced the outcome. Example: Johnnie Cochran, the lead defense attorney, employed a strategy that focused heavily on race. Cochran argued that the Los Angeles Police Department had a history of racial bias and framed Simpson. One of the most memorable moments in the trial was Cochran's statement, "If it doesn't fit, you must acquit," referring to the controversial glove found at the crime scene. The defense team played a pivotal role in the trial, implementing a strategic approach that aimed to cast doubt on the prosecution's case. Let's explore their tactics and the impact they had on the trial. Example: Mark Fuhrman, a detective involved in the investigation, became a central figure in the defense strategy. The defense team accused Fuhrman of planting evidence and using racial slurs, seeking to undermine the credibility of the prosecution's case. Fuhrman's previous racist remarks and history were brought to light during the trial, intensifying the racial tensions surrounding the case. On the opposing side, the prosecution sought to present a compelling argument that would establish Simpson's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Let's dive into the prosecution's case and the challenges they faced. Example: the prosecution focused on presenting a timeline of events and physical evidence linking Simpson to the crime scene. They presented the DNA evidence found at the scene, emphasizing its significance in connecting Simpson to the murders. However, the defense raised doubts about the handling and integrity of this evidence, creating a challenging hurdle for the prosecution. After months of intense courtroom drama and deliberation, the time came for the jury to deliver their verdict. The nation held its breath, awaiting the outcome that would have far-reaching consequences. Let's explore what unfolded in the courtroom. Example: on October 3, 1995, the jury reached a verdict. O.J. Simpson was found not guilty. The shocking verdict sent shockwaves throughout the country and sparked a range of emotions and debates. Many were surprised by the outcome, while others applauded it as a victory for the defense and a necessary step towards addressing systemic issues in the justice system. The aftermath of the trial was marked by ongoing controversies, public discourse, and a lasting impact on the individuals involved. Let's delve into the ripple effects of the O.J. Simpson murder trial. Example: the verdict ignited debates on race, celebrity influence, and the flaws within the legal system. It raised questions about whether justice was truly served and highlighted the deep-rooted racial divisions in America. The trial also had a profound impact on the families of the victims, who continue to grapple with the loss and the trial's outcome. The O.J. Simpson murder trial remains one of the most captivating and contentious chapters in American legal history. It shed light on the power of media, the complexities of race and justice, and the flaws within the legal system. As we reflect on this trial, we must remember the lives tragically lost and the enduring impact it has had on society. Example: the O.J. Simpson murder trial serves as a reminder that our justice system is far from perfect. It challenges us to strive for fairness, equality, and an unbiased pursuit of truth in our legal proceedings. By examining cases like this, we can learn from the past and work towards a more just future. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the O.J. Simpson murder trial. If you found this video informative, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others. We appreciate your continued support. Stay tuned for more captivating content, and until next time.